Dear participants, very good morning. At the outset, I extend my appreciation to Department of Human Resources, Ministry of Labour and Human Resources, Bhutan, for collaborating and inviting us to conduct a one-week in-country program on training course design and development. I hope we would be able to share something that could stimulate the deliberations in the coming days. On behalf of Colombo Plan Staff College, we highly appreciate and acknowledge the concern of all participating institutions of Bhutan for developing the new generation of employees and TVET workforce, which is associated to the trust in the growing importance for developing human resources through training and development by maintaining systematic training process. More particularly in relations to the profound economic and social transformations we are currently living through, we also share this belief. Technological developments and organizational change have gradually caused some employers to realize that success lies in the skills and abilities of their employees. This means considerable and continuous investment in training and development. This has been brought to light by the rise in human resources management, with its emphasis on the importance of people and the skills they possess in enhancing organizational efficiency. Such human resource management concepts like commitment to the company and the growth in the quality movement have prompted senior management teams to realize the increased importance of training, employee development and long-term education intended to mean basic instruction in knowledge and skills. There has also been increased recognition of the need to complement the qualities of employees with the needs of the organization. Such concepts require a training plan, the foundation of training program, careful course designing that determines the what, who, when, where, how and why of the training program. To design the suitable training intervention, the most important components are identification of appropriate training needs, training course design based on training needs and training evaluation to equip the young trainers from the TVET institutions to understand the dynamics of training and development. In this program, we wish to explore some of the ways in which we can enhance our understanding about training course design and development in TVET system. The TVET institutions need to be reshaped to respond to the emerging challenges of workforce developments. We strongly trust that the theme training course design and development is very opportune because it will help us see new insights and development in today's education and training landscape in view of the global competition that cannot be ignored. The major focus of this program is primarily towards capacity enlargement and developing a specific approach which is needed to deal with the emerging challenges of designing and developing training course for meeting the needs of today and even the future. I hope that through this in-country program, we can gain more grounds in understanding the concepts of training course design and develop our own creative ways of application in utilizing for TVET system of Bhutan. Thank you.